Desmond Show.
I really like this series.
Yes.
Hi, baby.
Oh, honey.
Yes, I'm going.
My regards to your mom.
No problem.
Okay.
Sweetheart, help me captain my husband.
Oh, wait now. And my regards to mom. Say hi, mister.
No problem, Jerry.
Bye.
Come and lock my door. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Alright, have a good week. And then she asked me to take care of you.
I'm ready to take care of you.
Yes, I started this night. Auntie.
What?
Auntie.
Are you not going again?
I got a call. I can't go again.
No, you have to go.
Yes.
It's fine.
Auntie,
No,
you need to go.
You have to go.
I said I don't want to go again.
No,
What is
you
it?
have to. No, mommy is. You have to go.
Auntie, you have
please.
to go.
It's still your mommy too.
But you just have to go.
Wait. AK, what are you wearing?
Oh, this, my gown.
When did you change?
I did not change.
Did you change?
No!
She did not. She did not change.
I did not change.
I just said you don't
Auntie, I did not change. Yeah, you know.
You don't change what? This woman killed me. Even in my home, are you stupid?
Auntie.
Get out from there.
Auntie, please.
MC Desmond Cares.